Assalamu alaikum students, viewers of all age. I am Sayyid Danishaz and I am going to tell you how you can become fluent in English language, as well as you will be able to perform well in your class, and you in further career you will be able to do well. Whatever the subject you choose, English language is must. You must have grip over that language. And the point is how to achieve that target. The main purpose of this video is to make you understand that you can do that as I did. My father taught me, thanks to him, and my teacher, Sister Genevieve, she taught me how to have grip over English language. She was a native speaker, and she actually taught me to meditate, to get my mind on track of English language. She taught me that you cannot have grip over English language unless and until you tell yourself your mind is on track of English language, from your mother tongue to English language. And the point is how we can do that. We can do that easily. For some people it might be difficult because who get distracted for certain things, but if you are focused that you have to be fluent in English language, then you will be able to do that. And how is that possible? Just meditate. Tell your brain, tell yourself, tell your mind that you are going to do that. Just think and repeat in your mind that you are an English speaker, you are a native English speaker. In that time you will respond to only English speakers, those who are in correspondence or those who are conversing with you in English language. You will respond to them only, and further you will watch English movies, you will read English books. That's how you will be able to put your mind on track of English language. And further, how important is that? Through having grip over 4 skills, you will be able to do that slowly and gradually. First, develop the habit of reading. Read a lot, read as much as you can, and try to speak in English. Don't think that you will be wrong. It's okay if you're wrong, no problem in that. And don't get scared of it. Don't put your fears aside, and don't be scared of your people. What will they do? What do they think? Don't bother about them. Just focus on this task, this meditation, that you are now English native speaker, and you will respond to those only who are speaking to you in English. And second important thing that I suggest you, that try to have your circle with those who have same mental approach, those who want to have grip over English language like you, those who want to be fluent, and we can easily get through this problem. And you will see slowly and gradually your body language will change, your attitude change, your lifestyle. When you will become English speaker, your mind being on track of English language, you will become slowly and gradually English speaker, and your attitude will be different. It will have another benefit in your life, that you don't have to improve your cramming power. As you know, our education system is totally focused on improving the cramming power.
याद करें, याद करें, याद करें, और आप याद करते हैं, आप लिखते हैं पेपर में, नंबर्स भी आ जाते हैं. Somehow, suppose if you forgot what you are writing, or examiner has changed the style of that question, the question that you memorized, it was different. The same question is asked in a different way, because in English you can ask same thing in several ways. English is such a vast language that you can ask same thing in several ways. What happens then? You are not able to reproduce on paper, and that causes decline in your grades, you lose your marks, and after that, with the passage of time, you realize that after intermediate or matric, that the main reason of not being up to mark is you are not being fluent in English language. You don't know how to reproduce on paper. If you are asked to write something, then it becomes difficult for you to write. If you are asked to speak something in front of students, then it becomes difficult. You start mumbling. आपके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है इस चीज़ को निकलना. क्या करें, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने थ्रू आउट स्कूलिंग में इंग्लिश को उस तरह से नहीं पढ़ाया गया जैसा पढ़ाना चाहिए.
You will be able to learn, you will be able to deliver, you will be able to reproduce on paper well. So that's my suggestion, that's my advice to you, and I can help you out in that. You can contact me anytime. I will try my level best to respond all of you, and thanks to all those who are watching this video. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe me or like my video, but I want you to do as I said. I want change in my society, because English, whether you accept it or not, this is the most important language, because it is a medium of instructions in all schools and universities and colleges, and you cannot survive without that. And even when you have your degree, you go into the market, you are ready to give your services, and ultimately you will find yourself that you are not able to produce well just because of your lack of English skills, and ultimately you will have to go for psychopant rewards to please people, and this is the cheapest thing, I must say, that if one can only survive through his abilities and his skills, and you can have grip over all skills, whether you are from account, whether you are from engineering, whether you are from medical field. Unless and until you will not have grip over that English language, you cannot perform well, you cannot increase your grades. Even at school level, whatever the age you have, it is not too late to learn. Please listen to me and do as I said. I will be happy to teach you, to guide you. Please, thank you.